To get started with Python, first you'll need to install it on your computer. Head over to python.org and download the latest version for your operating system. During installation, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This is critical as it allows you to run Python from your command line or terminal. Once Python is installed, it's important to verify that everything is working correctly. Open your command line or terminal and type python-version. This command will display the version of Python that's installed on your system. If you see a version number like Python 3.10.2, congratulations, Python is installed correctly. Now let's write your first Python program. Open any text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Type the following line of code: print, open parentheses, single quote, hello, world, exclamation mark, single quote, close parenthesis. Save your file with a .py extension. In this case, we're naming it hello.py. Now it's time to run your program. You can run your Python program directly in the Python shell. Type your print statement and press enter to see the output. Alternatively, you can run your program from the command line. Open your command prompt or terminal, navigate to the directory where you saved your file, and type python hello.py. You can also use an integrated development environment like PyCharm to write and run your Python code. Whichever method you choose, when you run your program, you should see Hello World printed on your screen. Python's popularity continues to surge across various domains. According to the TIOB Index, Python is now the most popular programming language in the world as of December 2023, surpassing C and C++. Python is especially popular in fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and web development. Its simple syntax and vast ecosystem of libraries make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. Now that you've set up Python and written your first program, let's move on to understanding the Hello World program in more detail. The Hello World program is a fundamental introduction to any programming language. In Python, it demonstrates the use of the print function, which outputs text to the console. The text you want to display is enclosed in single or double quotes. This simple command produces the output Hello World in the console. Python is an interpreted language, meaning your code is executed line by line. This makes it easy to test and debug your programs as you go. One of Python's key features is its readable syntax, which is similar to English and relies on indentation to define code blocks. Unlike other languages that use curly braces, Python uses spaces or tabs to structure code. Consistent indentation is crucial to avoid errors. This makes Python code cleaner and more readable. Variables are used to store data in Python. For example, name equals John assigns the string John to the variable name. Python supports various data types, including strings, numbers, booleans, lists, and dictionaries. Python provides various operators for performing operations on data. These include arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication, and division, as well as comparison and logical operators. Conditional statements like if, elif, and else allow your program to make decisions based on certain conditions. Loops like for and while help you repeat code blocks multiple times. Functions allow you to organize code into reusable blocks. For instance, you can define a function to multiply two numbers. Functions help make your code more modular and maintainable. Once defined, a function can be called anywhere in your code with different arguments. This makes your programs more efficient and easier to maintain. Python's seamless integration with other languages and frameworks empowers developers to take on complex projects. The demand for Python developers continues to rise across various industries, especially in data science, web development, and artificial intelligence.